Welcome to day 10. Woo! This is our last day of the creativity challenge. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. It's so cool. So day 10, we're talking about building on day 9, expanding your musical bubble. So we all have a bubble that we live in with things that we consume and things that we see. And especially when it comes to music, I don't know if you're like me, but sometimes I listen to my same kind of set of artists, and I really have to remind myself sometimes to get out of that bubble and just listen to a whole bunch of new music and new artists, new genres, new styles, different music from around the world. There are just incredible things happening out there. So what can you find that is new and inspiring to you? So my assignment for you on this day is to do some exploration. Maybe you ask friends for some new music recommendations. That's always a great place to start. Maybe you just Google genres of music. Pick a couple on there that you've never listened to before and try them out. So my assignment for you in our last day, in day 10, is to spend some time exploring new artists and new genres of music. Get some new music going on in your head, inspire yourself. This is a great way to just get some new ideas and new sounds into your life, into your playing. And let me know if you find some new artists that you really love. Once again, I wanted to say thank you for joining me on this 10-day creativity challenge. I hope you got really inspired. I hope you've got lots of new different ideas that you can put into your own playing to be more confident, to make these creative musical choices. I hope that it's really kind of turned around how you're going to approach new songs. You've got all these new different things you can in your tool bag now that you can pull out and try. So have fun with this. Again, this is something you can come back and revisit, every couple months when you're back in that valley, you need a little creative push. You can revisit these ideas. There's always something new to learn out there. So once again, thank you for being here. My name is Kathryn, and I want to say cheers to you and your creativity. I will see you soon. Ukulele wine time.